class. So you're getting to the end of your project and you're going to have to upload your rich media to the web. This presentation will cover how to upload your rich media presentation to the web. You have turned your project in for a grade and you are now getting ready to upload it. So from Flash, or Animate, you can export to the movie just from the contextual menus. I've given you an example here so you can see it. The first thing to do is go to Flash and go to the export menu. You see the example here on the slides that you can export your movie to a QuickTime format or a .mov. You could also publish to it as a SWIFT file. Here I just went to the file options to publish the project. You also see it can be done and published in sequential images, which we're going to cover in a second. Because if you get artifacts when you publish, you will have to do this. So what is an artifact? This is an artifact. When things move on the screen, it's incomplete. It gives you these little ghosty things. So you don't really want that. And there's a lot of workarounds for this, but predominantly before you try anything else, you should make sure that you have used a symbol for everything that is moving on your screen. If you don't use symbols, this happens. So once again, as I'm saying, make sure that you have the correct type of symbol for what you're doing, a graphic, a movie, or a button. You know, generally I like using movie clips, unless it's a button, in which case you can't use it. The graphic button seems to me like it's almost not worth doing. So also you can use a different export method. And one thing you can do is export it out to a PNG image sequence. Exporting to an image sequence means that Flash will generate or Animate will generate and create a PNG image for every frame in your Flash document, and it actually names it sequentially also, which is very nice. Then you have to bring it into QuickTime and repurpose it out. Another way that I have used, which sometimes I think is easier than anything else, is to use a Swift to video converter. You see the link over here to an online video converter that you could use. I've also, you see you can download and use a desktop version. I have used software to do this for a long time, and I think it's the easiest thing to do. So this is a good option. It's not, this one is free. There are other ones that you can buy for like $29. So you can find a solution that fits on any budget that you might have. Well, let's talk about whether you should upload to Vimeo or YouTube. There's 5 advantages of using Vimeo. It gives great rendition, it's higher quality, it supports large screen, it's all about quality and allows large length, uploading is faster, streaming is better, and content needs to be original and have a copyright. So where should you put your video for people to find? These 5 advantages are very important. However, let's see what the advantages of YouTube are. YouTube does better search engine optimization, so you'll be found more on the web. YouTube's algorithms looks at relevance, upload date, view count, rating, and you can always sort by relevance, but there are other ways. Vimeo lets users search by most relevant, newest, oldest, most played, most commented, most liked, and alphabetical. Your YouTube algorithm behaves differently, and you might like the options better altogether. So video format. YouTube supports a wide variety and range of videos and audio formats to use. You can get a quick overview of what may be an issue with your video formatting by taking a look at the warnings and error messages that we communicate to you when you're uploading your video. Here is a list of supported types. So you can see that you actually can use the Adobe FLV format also, and you can use MPEG-4s. So here are some to-dos to keep in mind. Do upload your videos in their original resolutions. Videos should be uploaded as the highest resolution available. Videos upload with the 16:9 aspect ratios will fit the player perfectly. Most 4:3 resolutions are supported, but the video will be pillar boxed in order to fit the player. Upload videos with high bit rates. Higher bit rate content will look better on YouTube, simply put. Upload videos with a 1:1 pixel aspect ratios. Upload videos in the original quality whenever possible. Upload videos with identical audio-video durations. Audio and video tracks should begin and end at the same time. Things you should not do, and you shouldn't do this and send them to me this way either, is don't put in project files formats. So you can't upload a SWF, you can't upload the files that come out of After Effects, you cannot upload the files that are saved in Premiere. No audio images. YouTube does not accept audio and image files, however you can easily convert these files to video. No DVD files. I don't think anybody uses this anymore anyway. Don't alter videos from the original framework. For example, videos captured at 24 frames per second should be uploaded at 24 frames per second. Altering videos from the original frame rates prior to upload may result in really undesirable outcomes and bad playback. And no interlaced content. Your video should be de-interlaced prior to upload. In your video encoder, you should select de-interlace or progressive scan if these options are available. So this should help you get your project finished. I'm really looking forward to seeing all of them.